So I wanted to show you my hair. It's been in the towel for a little, like about an hour or two. And I'm just tired of it being in the towels. So, it's got most of the moisture out. So now I'm gonna dry it with the diffuser. It's dry. So this is what it looks like. So I do like it better with using the diffuser. It turns out way better for me. Yeah. I feel like it gets curlier when I don't use that towel. But my hair is soft. It is not crunchy. And then like last week, I was able to do it for like 5 days. The time, like the curl would come out a little bit. I would wet it. I would reapply the product. Sometimes I would just use this one on the day afters. Sometimes I would do this with it as well. I feel like if I hadn't put it up in that towel, I could have gotten a little bit more action up in here. So there you go.
Okay, well, I have to say this diffuser is a winner for me. It fits perfectly on my good old Revlon hairdryer. That didn't come with a diffuser, and I wanted to buy a new hairdryer with a diffuser because I'm wearing my hair more naturally these days with my curls. And I like this hairdryer. It has all the other attachments except a diffuser. So instead of going out and buying a whole new one, I decided to try this out. And as you can see, it opens up really wide. And those clamps on there are really good. Once you want it on there, release, you just hit that button. You have to be strong, but once you open it all the way, this pops out and holds it open. That took me a lot of strength, but it is possible. Before I was just placing it down, holding it open, and sticking it in. But, there you go. Now it stays open. So you just have to have a little extra strength. I just woke up. I haven't had my morning coffee. We'll blame it on that. Perfect fit. Hit the button. Now it's locked. Not going anywhere. It's on there. Locked and loaded. It's perfect.
Okay, a quick review on this attachment diffuser. So it did not fit the circumference of my hairdryer. So what I did was I added the attachment that I have here, which is snug on there, this part of my hairdryer. And then it worked because my hairdryer itself is too big. The nozzle of it did not fit in here. but once I did the smaller attachment onto this and then used it, it worked great. So it's just a twist. You just simply go ahead and, sorry, I'm trying to do it with one hand. So I twist this open and close. Very easy to attach it, and it hugs right on to the nozzle. And those are the little diffuser nibs. Nibs. But yeah, it worked great, and I really like it. But I needed to do this little hack by adding this on here and then fitting it in. Okay, hope that helps.
The odds of them getting together were insurmountable. I made a family. I got these two together and I made a family. This man has a gift. You're single.
I'm not single. I have a man.
I am offering up my services to you all. You saw what I did with Cam and Jim. I can help you too. There it is. Come on, love.
No, I have never been married.
Like Clooney. Andrew, what about you?
We're screwed. Still on the not good timing. Yes, I'm gonna ask out Aaron. Just waiting for the stars to align. Literally. I have a small skylight.
I am in love with this universal diffuser. All you have to do is twist, and it can fit on many different dryer heads. So I've had this dryer for probably 10 years. So I just open that up. Whoops. Open it up. Push it in, and it just kind of holds on tight to it. That's it. And it did this to my hair today. So, 10 out of 10.
It twists. That button is not going to open this, as some review had tried to state. You have to turn this round piece. Whatever that button's for, I'm not sure. I haven't read the instructions, but that's how you open it. It's not the red button that opens it.
Every girl's got a hair dryer. Okay, you know how they come with a diffuser. Well, guess what? I lost mine. And I was like, dang it, I do not want to buy another hair dryer. So I was like, let's see. Amazon! Another Amazon find. Look at this. And it fits multiple hair dryers. You open it. Look at that. Oh! I'm going to dry my hair and then I'll show you all the results.